Hi everyone, it's Yushin and welcome back to another video on polymer clay. And I'll show you some tips on using silicone mold with polymer clay. You're going to start by cleaning your silicone mold with some scrap clay just to stick out any dust. And then you're going to put your clay in the mold. So you're going to make sure that your clay is very well conditioned, super soft. By cutting away extra clay, you're also cutting away the dust that is on the surface of the clay. So this is a great way to have clean backing. You could also be using liquid clay with your molds. The most important tip with using silicone mold with polymer clay is to bake your polymer clay in your molds. So instead of taking your polymer clay out of your mold before baking, bake your polymer clay while it's in the mold. If you are not sure whether your mold is suitable for the oven, try baking it. Try doing an experiment with a little piece of that mold. All of my mold that I've tried are suitable for the oven, and all of my mold are made for resining. Once you baked everything and let it cool down, then you would just pop out the clay. And the one that I'm demolding right now is made from liquid clay, and this one is quite bendy and flexible, but also fragile. And you can also use colored clay with these molds, which I'll show you at the very end of this video. And look at all these details. They are so well casted. You won't get this much detail if you try and pop out your clay before baking. And this snake mold is one of my favorite. And the clay got all the details from the mold. And here is a colored one that I tried. So I tried casting with multiple colors and it came out really well. And now these ones are ready for painting. You can paint them with acrylic paint. That's it for today's tutorial. See you next time.